How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. It's 2 Minute Tuesday, and today we are installing the P3 Gauges multi-gauge. If you aren't a huge fan of the classic gauge pod look, this is the perfect alternative because they did an absolute fantastic job of integrating this into an OEM vent so that it looks like it's stock and it belongs there. Now you can get this in either just a boost gauge, or you can get the multi-gauge, which has a variety of different options to choose from, which will read out coolant temps, air intake temps, exhaust gas temps, boost, all that good stuff. You can also get them either pre-installed in an OEM vent, or you can get it by itself and install it yourself to save a little bit of money. Obviously, this one is already pre-installed, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change out your OEM vent with the one that has the gauge installed. First thing you're going to need to do is remove this cover, so take either a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool and stick it into the bottom and pry that off. That'll reveal a Phillips head screw down here that you need to remove. And then we can pull this whole panel off right here. If you want, you can disconnect this to get it out of the way, but honestly, you could just leave it hanging here. And now you have access to the bottom of the vent where you can push it out. And then once you have it popped out a bit, you can pull this out and we can get the new one in. So now we just need to route this wiring down towards the OBD2 port and slide your new vent in with the gauge installed and pop it into place. And there we go. Once you have the new vent installed, you can get everything connected. So connect the OBD2 connector to the control box and then the vent to that control box. And then we can get the panels put back, and then we will route the wiring. With the panels reinstalled, all we have left to do is connect this to the OBD2 port and then tidy up the wires, and we're set to test it out. So you've got two buttons here. The right one is going to be your mode switch and manual dimmer, and then the left one is going to be your peak recall, and you can go into configuration mode if you hold down both, where you can change some settings, and you can also clear codes. Yeah, this can also read and clear codes, forgot to mention that. So I'm gonna go through real quick the different modes here to show you. So you got boost, coolant, air intake temp, ignition timing, you got exhaust gas temp, throttle position, RPM, which you can also program a shift light. You got your speed, and then a 0 to 60 timer, and battery voltage. And that pretty much wraps it up for this week, guys. So not only are you going to get the info from the readouts that this gauge has to offer, you're also going to be able to read and clear codes, and it just looks like it belongs there. If you guys have any recommendations for 2 Minute Tuesday videos, leave them in the comments section down below. Let me know if you love it, you hate it, or you don't care. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.